Welcome to our first recorded episode of Saving World War II. This is a 1940 to 1941 gun emplacement. This is one of the coastal defences in the Arder district, covering the River Ader and Bynes Bridge. This is a gun emplacement built just next to what is now known as a Balls Inn, and we've got work cut out today, but let's see what we do. How's it going, Bob? Yeah, not bad. Starting to open her up now. We'll get there. We're now starting to see the rear of the gun emplacement. It looks like a 25-pounder. In really, really good condition. I'm so glad we found it when we did. Is this unnecessary weight on the roof? To be fair, it's quite a heavily reinforced roof on this particular gun emplacement, but we need to drop the weight down to take the pressure off it, as long term it's no good.
Jason going up the roof. How's it going, Jace?
Yeah, just trying to watch the concrete.
Hard graft.
So atop the gun emplacement, you can see the River Ader just on the other side of that road there, and the bridge is just through there. Starting to clear the roof off now. We've managed to open the path up, thanks to Bubba. How's it looking, bruv?
Yeah, getting there, mate.
Weather's really taking its toll on us now. Got a broken chainsaw, but really starting to open up now. Let's get this chainsaw back up and running, and we'll start working our way to them flanks. We're back up and running, baby! How's it going? Yeah, we're back at the front. Just going to work on the side, get a nice little opening so the guests from the pub can come and visit, and make steady progress again. Placing it up now. Nice and visible. It is absolutely hammering it down. But we've opened it right up now, all the way to the car park. Someone's slacking off. Alright mate, you dry in there? Yeah, of course you are. And we are done. Take you for a little walk around now. Lay some poppies. Go around to the front of the gun emplacement. Bobby's just doing the last finishing touches. Good work, Bubba. I think we're just about there, mate.
We got there, didn't we?
Wants to visit the gun emplacement. It's at the Balls Inn. Many thanks to the Balls Inn owner for letting us do this today. Day before Remembrance Sunday, so just in time. You go across from the car park, see it's nice and open up now. Obviously take care if you bring the kids, but overall it's nice and flat now. As you can see, you come in from the side, you've got the front there to the right, and the entrance is at the rear, just there. That's great. I need a new one. I will say before we go, guys, the Ball Inn, Henfield, lovely place. Nothing better after a bit of rain, open on fire. Go check it out, guys. Just straight up the Ader, just in Henfield. Thanks for watching, guys. Speak to you soon.